all you need to do is go to Google, go to the search box, so go to www.google.com and then type in Davinci Resolve. All right, so once you type in Davinci Resolve, it's most likely going to be the first link that you see in your search. It's going to say Davinci Resolve 20 from a company called Blackmagic Design. So click on Davinci Resolve 20. That's all you need to do. Once you get to the home page, I want you to scroll down until you see this option right here, Davinci Resolve 20, and then right underneath you'll see Davinci Resolve 20 free download now. So I want you to click on that, and once you click on that, here's what you're going to see on the next tab. There's an option that says Davinci Resolve 20, and that's it. And that's essentially the free version of Davinci Resolve. And that's what we're going to be focusing on for the sake of this tutorial. But if you see to the right, you'll see an option that says Davinci Resolve Studio 20. That's the paid version. And it should be less than $300 to get that paid version. If you want to get it, I totally recommend it. But if you're a newbie, you're just getting started in your content creation or your videography business journey, you really do not need a paid version. So just grab the free version, get used to the free version, learn how everything works, and then upgrade to the paid version. The good thing about the paid version, it's a one-time fee and you get to use Davinci Resolve for life. When I got this, it was Davinci Resolve 19. That's when I got the paid studio version. It's called the studio version. And I got that when they had the Davinci Resolve 19 version. And recently I upgraded to the Davinci Resolve 20 studio version, and it was entirely free. All I had to do is click a download link and upgrade it, and I get the new version right away. So that's the beautiful thing about Davinci Resolve as compared to other softwares like Premiere Pro or Final Cut. So once you pay for this, it's a one-time fee and you get to use it for life. But for now, let's focus on the Davinci Resolve 20 free version. If you have a Mac, you want to click on the Mac option. If you have a Windows, click Windows. You know what to do. So I have a Mac and I'm going to click on the Mac option, and all you have to do, guys, is enter your information. First name, last name, company if you have one, that's optional, your email, phone number. So let's actually do this. Very simple. So what's my first name? Patrick. All right, so Patrick. All right. And you'll see, because I've done this before, everything just kind of pops in right away. So Patrick Ishimwe, that's my email, personal email right there. My phone number, you see my address and all that good stuff. And then right here, once you go to the right, you see an option that says product information. That's already selected, Davinci Resolve. Make sure it says Davinci Resolve right there. And once you're done, go to the next thing. It says, tell us how you use this Blackmagic product. So in my case, I'm using Davinci Resolve for content creation on YouTube. So content creation on YouTube and videography business. So whatever you're using it for, just put that in there. Honestly, you don't have to. This is optional. They're probably collecting this information for their own business needs. Which features should we add to this free version? You can say maybe better captions for shorts on YouTube. Super simple, guys. Once you put that all in there, all you have to do is click register and download. I won't be doing that because, again, I already have Davinci Resolve installed on my computer. But basically, once you press register and download, within minutes, I don't think it's going to take more than 20 minutes. So within minutes, you'll be able to get a link on your email, in your email. And so once you go to your email, you click the link they send you, you're going to be able to start downloading Davinci Resolve on your computer right there. It should take less than 20 minutes. Honestly, I remember doing this and I don't think it even went over 10 minutes for me. So it should be very, very quick. So once you do that, Davinci Resolve, you click on the download link that you get from the email. Everything will be downloaded to your computer. If you go to your downloads folder, you'll most likely find it there. All right, so now that we have Davinci Resolve on our computer, we're ready to open that bad boy, start importing some of our files, and start working on projects. Let's go into your search box right here, top right corner of your computer if you have a Mac, and start typing in Davinci Resolve. So once you get that, just click on it. If that doesn't happen, again, go to your download folders or go to your documents. I'm sure it will be there. All you have to do is click on it, okay? So click on Davinci Resolve. All right, so here it is.